BakeryToken, BAKE, is the native BEP20 token of the decentralized exchange DEX ecosystem BakerySwap. Its main purpose is to reward liquidity providers, serve as a governance token within the platform, and power additional features such as staking and the NFT marketplace. In my view, the most interesting part of BAKE is that it's not just a simple trading token. It brings together liquidity provision, staking, and NFT use cases, making it a kind of mini DeFi package. Of course, these benefits always come with risks that shouldn't be ignored. On BakerySwap, users provide liquidity and receive LP tokens, representing their share in the pool. These LP tokens can then be staked to earn BAKE rewards, while BAKE holders also gain voting rights in governance decisions. The protocol charges a 0.3% fee on trades, with 0.25% distributed back to liquidity providers. This mechanism provides a steady revenue stream for those adding liquidity, but the actual yield depends heavily on the pool, trading volume, and reward multipliers, meaning returns can vary greatly. From a technical and economic design perspective, BAKE includes some interesting mechanics. Certain pools, like BAKE-BNB, are incentivized with higher multipliers, a common way to attract liquidity into specific pairs. However, higher multipliers also mean that if liquidity is pulled from those pools, price volatility can increase. So higher rewards equals lower risk definitely doesn't apply here. On the security side, BakerySwap's smart contracts and project activity are monitored through third-party auditing and tracking services. While this shows that the project has gone through some level of technical checks, real-world experience reminds us that audits and monitoring tools reduce risk, but do not eliminate it. In decentralized projects, vulnerabilities such as liquidity issues, admin keys upgrade ownership, or external attacks always remain possible. Recent developments are also noteworthy. One major exchange announced that BAKE will be delisted from spot markets, which could reduce liquidity and trading volume. Such delisting decisions typically increase price volatility and make it harder for investors to cash out of BAKE. The market reaction was consistent with this. Sharp volatility and speculative spikes were seen. Analysts warn that these moves may represent short-term pumps, while long-term value will depend on actual utility, liquidity depth, and the team's transparency. Taking all of this into account, my practical advice is this. If you are interested in BAKE, first check the project's smart contract address on BSE Scan, review its audit reports, and analyze the total value locked and liquidity sources in its pools. If a major exchange has delisted the token, always factor in liquidity risks and possible slippage. And above all, avoid FOMO and only invest what you can afford to lose. This is a golden rule for any crypto project. Finally, keep in mind that having an audit doesn't mean the project is 100% safe. Audits are time and resource limited, so it's wise to carefully check elements such as contract ownership, upgrade permissions, and staking bridge mechanisms.